Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a Python script which uses Matplotlib library to convert a raw text into an image. So we have this raw text here, we are providing this to this library. So what it is doing, it is controlling all these parameters such as font size, background color, text color, and it is creating this image file. So once I run this Python script, it will convert this raw text into an image. So let me just execute this Python script. You will see on the left hand side it will create this image output.png, and it will have this text, the background color, the color of the text, everything. So let me just change this text here, and then we can manipulate the font size as well. Let me change to 100, and background color, let me set it to yellow, and the color of the text, let me set it to black. So you will see if I make all these changes, a new image will be created with the modified changes. So you can see that. So in this easy way you can create images from raw text using this library which is Matplotlib. So this is actually the package Matplotlib. The command is very simple. You first of all install this package by executing this command, and after that let me show you the complete example step by step. So just create a simple app.py file. So first of all you just need to import this package matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So after importing this package we will define a function which will be responsible for converting the text to image. So we are calling this function a custom function text to image matplotlib, and we are providing the text, we are providing font size, background color, and the text color as arguments. So let me just define this function text to image. So now we provide the text, the output path where the image should be shaped. So result.png, or you can even create JPG image as well. So then we provide the font size, background color. So these are all default values. If the arguments are not provided, then it will take these default values. So now inside the function we have this plt.figure function to create the image. So here we specify the size of the image, so say 10,4, and then we also specify the color, which is the background color. So it will create this image with these background color of whatever background color is passed. And then to add the text we have the text method, and we provide the location here, x coordinate and y coordinate. Then we provide the text and the font size, and then we provide where it should be displayed. So you can also put we are putting here center of the image, so we are putting center right here, and also right here we also put center, and then we provide the color of the text, and wrap is equal to true. And then we simply put the access to off, and then we save this figure at this. We have this function right here. So here we specify the output path, bbox. So all these options are supported by Matplotlib. So we simply save with these options, and then we close it, and then we print out a simple statement that your image has been saved. So let me delete this image and run the script. You will see it will has no property font size. I think a typo mistake is there. I've given the script in the description of this video. So once again, if you run this, you will see a output, a PNG will be created. So in this easy way, guys, you can use this Python package Matplotlib to create images from text, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.